Hi guys. I've got too much energy. It's way too late at night. Alright, we have Target boxes. I know, everybody else has already done their Target boxes. Well, you know, it is what it is. We're going to start out with the Target box because there was two of them. There's this Sonia Kashuk. Oh my gosh. You know, I could actually say that before I turned on this camera. We're just going to deal about it. If you don't know what the Target boxes are, they usually are like $7. Except for the Sonia one was like 10. But you get some decent stuff. I mean, it's stuff that you can get from Target, so that's great. And it's not like a normal subscription, so at the beginning of the month, keep checking in. Go ahead and have them send you emails if you're interested in these types of boxes so you know when they first put them up, because a lot of these boxes do sell out fast, like really, really fast. And that's why from the first till they actually post, I'm checking every hour on the hour. I don't even wait for that email or for my subscription addiction that posts that they're up there. But anyways, this one is Hello Indulgence. See, I can speak. Jobs, kids, home, social calendar. If you're like most women, you're juggling a ton, which is why you deserve to feel absolutely spoiled. Yes, we do. I need to be spoiled. Alright, inside this box you'll find a few of our faves that make you feel pampered, appreciated, and loved. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Huh. Well, that's weird. $3 off of your beauty purchase of $15 or more. And the coupon looks a little weird this time. They never have any of the prices on here, but I do get the prices for the full sizes down below in my description box. So that kind of helps you out, just in case you want to take a gander, see what the prices are, see if you're actually interested in that much. You should check out the description box. There is a lot of information in there. Alright. We have OGX. I've tried several of their products, like their shampoo or conditioner. Yeah, shampoo and conditioner. Oh my gosh. And I love it. It actually, like the fiber ones, actually make my hair feel like they have some thickness to it. This is the Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. And it says dry shampoo infused with coconut oil essence of tarte. We'll just go with that. And vanilla bean extract absorbs oil and revives strands for luscious locks. Tip: to boost volume, flip hair upside down, then use your fingers to blend the formula toward the ends of your hair. Voila. Well, I have clean hair, so I want to smell this. Smells like coconut cookie. And it does say it has coconut oil in it, and that is the main coconut that I'm always worried about. Several types of coconut the products say they have in them. I can't stand this little headband anymore. It's gone. Anyways, they say that there's coconut in them, but you know, I haven't died yet. So we're going to keep playing with this stuff. Alright. And the next thing we have is St. Ives Cleaning Stick. It's 100% natural coconut oil, hydrates and softens delicate facial skin as you cleanse, so you can get a glow on. Cleaning stick gently massages skin while the fragrance awakens your senses. as you've seen, I basically wet my face and then rub this stick all over it. It does twist off from the top. There is a little safety seal. And when you first get it, instead of trying to pry it up, just turn that and you'll be able to pop it off of there. And it smells amazing. It smells like floral and cucumber. It smells amazing. Like, truly amazing. But it's cactus water and hibiscus. And it says it has coconut oil in it. Do you see a rash on my face? Because I just did it. You've seen the shirt. I just did that. I ain't got no coconut oil in it. Alright, we have Roche Posay lipikar lightweight moisture replenishes essential lipids and provides long-lasting hydration, leaves skin supple. I have 3 of these little bad boys, and I have not got to the point of trying them. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this little guy on to somebody so somebody else can try it, or if they already love it. I like La Roche-Posay products. They're not bad, but I've got a hoarding problem. I need to fix that. So I'll just pass it on to somebody else. Alright, we also have the Free and Lovely by Bodycology. I have actually, I think there's 1 or 2 body sprays down there that somebody gave me. And they don't smell bad. I just haven't worn them all day long, or actually sprayed them more than just my wrist. This is the body mist. Indulge in the yummy body mist. Let's see. Infused with dreamy notes of soothing lavender and creamy golden amber. Spritz on right after the shower or bath. The moisture on skin helps lock the scent in. Good to know. Oh. It's a little tart. A little strong. Just, what the... If it wasn't so strong, I wouldn't have a problem with that. That's a little toxic. Okay. We have, is that what we have? The Conair 3-piece spiral ponytailer, and they say a bonus, they look as cool on your wrist as they do in your hair. And there's 3 different colors. I'm still not sure about this, especially with this, my thin hair. It kind of freaks me out a little bit, but I'm working on it. Alright, we have the Soap and Glory, the Scrub of Your Life body butter. I love Soap and Glory. If you watch my hauls from Ulta, you know I have a love for Soap and Glory. This is smoothing, scrubbing beads, buff away rough, dry patches, revealing softer, smoother skin. Wet down in the shower, pause the water, then apply scrub all over in circular motions. Lather until you're satisfied, then rinsed. That sounded a little dirty to me. I was like, whoa, what am I reading again? Alright, well, alright. Oh, does it say? No, why didn't it say anything like the types of scent? It doesn't smell as good as the Righteous butter, but it's pretty damn close. And I like it. Oh, I can't wait to try it out. Alright, and the last thing that's in this box is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Lotion Sunscreen SPF 55. And it's got Heliplex and Dry Touch technology. It's fast absorbing. It's supposed to be lightweight feeling. And it's supposed to last for about 80 minutes. Well, that's not going to help me in brimstone when I'm covered in mud and muck and creek water, and I'll save that for my son. Alright, and the next box, the Sonia Kashuk. We have some videos for this one. Alright, the box looks like this. And this one was $10. And it says, hello makeup must-haves. Sure, you can have the perfect lip shades and shadows, but every makeup artist knows that for the flawless face, you need the right tools. Oh, did you hear my stomach growling? I haven't eaten all day. This is what happens when my husband's not around. I forget to eat. Alright, and this also has a $3 off. But it's only if you purchase, it looks like if you only purchase the Sonia Kashuk of $15 or more. I don't like that. Come on, Target. Work better than that. Alright. The first thing in the box is an empty box. Oh, no. We have the blender sponge. Two surfaces allow for flexible application so you can blend, smudge, pat your way to perfection. Use the pointed tip for coverage in hard to reach areas and a flat bottom to buff in product for smoother, seamless finish. I have a video of me using that actually on this side of my face, because this side I used a sponge from my Ipsy bag, so basically this side. Because I'm getting bad about looking at spoilers and a lot this month, basically, I've seen a lot of people saying these things were hard as a rock, blah, 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 blah. I don't want to be able to do word for word because everybody's reasoning for why they said it was hard was a little bit different. But when this was dry, it was actually about as firm as the Real Technique sponge. Look how big that thing got. It wasn't bad. It was a lot better than the sponge I got in my Ipsy bag. I've got to say that. But now it's really, I don't know. It's really soft. I like my sponges to be a little bit harder than this. Imagine if I move my hand up, it's not too bad. I actually like it. I think it's kind of cool looking. Does soak up some product. Oh, that poor white sponge. Alright, anyways. Next, we have the Essentials Blush Brush. And it's 100% synthetic bristles. Precisely apply blush onto cheeks with the perfect pop of color. It says these brushes don't trap or absorb pigments, making them easier to clean so they're kinder on skin. That's neat. Now, it looks like this. It's got this cool little case up here. Watch me not be able to get it back open. You pop it open, slide that bad boy down. Perfect for traveling. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it would be like third in line for backup. I think they were right when they said it doesn't pick up really the pigment. You've seen there was really nothing on the brush, but when I patted it on my face, I could actually see the blush. I'm like, whoa. So that brush is not bad at all. It's still in the top 5, so that's still good. At least for me. Alright, the next one we have is the Professional Angled Eyeshadow Brush. And this is, let's see, applies and blends color for smoldering, smoky eye every time. Before applying eyeshadow, lightly dampen brush with water or setting spray to enhance color for staying power. I didn't use this as an eye brush. I actually used it as a highlighting brush, if you've seen my BoxyCharm video. But it comes like this, and it's got a cool little in there. And it's got its own little carrying case, and I used it for a highlighter brush. It's not normally, it's not as angled as I like for my brushes. Like, this is an angled brush that I like. You see the difference? But I'll play with it. I'll see where I can go with it. It's a brush. Not all brushes go for where they say they're supposed to go. Alright, let's see. We have also the slanted tip tweezers. And they're tweezers. I've got like 60 tweezers laying around this house. Can I find any of them? No. So this will probably go with the rest of the tweezers in tweezer land, wherever they're hiding. But it looks like this. Actually, I'm thinking I'm just going to keep it in the box and put it up in one of my makeup stash things. And the last thing that's in the box are quick dry brush cleaning wipes. I've got ones like this, and I haven't used them yet. And it says it's great for cleaning brushes and changing makeup color on the go. So I imagine it's kind of like the switch up stuff. But I've got 3 of them, so that's neat. I think I have 3 other ones somewhere else, but that's fine with me. Alright, that is all I got in my Target box. What'd you guys think of my Target box? I'm pretty excited about it all. Like, very excited. I've been trying everything out of this box. I mean, there's still some stuff to try over there in that box, but I like it. I really do. Alright, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can be part of the subscriber giveaway if you subscribe, so give me some likes, show me some love in the comments, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.